Hello friends, today we will learn My English Course Book Standard 9th. The poem is 2.4 and the title of the poem is Please Listen. Friends, in this poem, the poet uses two concepts, hear and listen. So, I will tell you the meaning of hear and listen. The word hear is used for sounds that come to our ears without necessarily trying to hear them. Means necessary नहीं है तो भी सुनना. Then listen. The word listen is used to describe paying attention to the sounds that are going on. Means necessary है इसलिए सुनना, यह मीनिंग है listen का. स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने 9th स्टैंडर्ड इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज का यूनिट 1 एंड यूनिट 2 का सिलेबस वीडियोस द्वारा कंप्लीट किया है. आप मेरे चैनल के प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर उसे चेक कर सकते हो. एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. द पोएम इज अ कंप्लेंट ऑफ अ चाइल्ड अबाउट हिज पेरेंट्स. इट गिव्स अस द चाइल्ड्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू अबाउट पेरेंट्स. द चाइल्ड डज नॉट वांट टू बी पैम्पर्ड बाय हिज पेरेंट्स. In this poem, the speaker thinks that he is confident and ready to face any problem in future life. The poem is composed by anonymous author. In this poem, the speaker is teenager and the teenager shares his or her feeling about the advice given by parents. So friends, let's learn the poem. When I ask you to listen to me and you start giving me advice, you have not done what I ask. In this line, the speaker says to his parents, when I want to say something or ask something to you, at that time you start giving me advice and you have not done what I ask. When I ask you to listen to me and you begin to tell me why I shouldn't feel that way, you are trampling on my feelings. The speaker expresses his depressed feeling through the whole poem by saying that when he asks his parents to listen to him, at that time his parents begin to tell him what they think and they always ready to give him advice, and because of that his feeling means the speaker's feeling always hurt by parents. When I ask you to listen to me and you feel you have to do something to solve my problem, you have failed me. Strange as that may seem. The speaker says to his parents, when you do something to solve my problem, at that time you have failed me. As the speaker feels that it is very strange because he himself wants to tackle his problem. He do not need parents' advice. Listen. All I ask is that you listen. Don't talk or do, just hear me. The teenager do not like always to learn lessons of life from his parents, and so he says to his parents, listen to him. Don't talk or do anything for him. Just hear him, as he knows what is good or bad for him. Advice is cheap. 20% will get you both Dear Abby and Billy Graham in the same newspaper. Through these lines, the poet gives us the reference about the columns in newspapers where people write about their problems and the columnist offers and shares advices to the people. And so, the teenager says to his parents, advice is so cheap. Suggestions and advices he will get from any newspaper and column also. And so, stop to giving him advices and suggestions. And I can do for myself. I am not helpless. Maybe discouraged and flattering, but not helpless. The speaker says, I can do what I need for myself. I am not helpless. By giving number of suggestions and advices, you make me discouraged and flattering. I am not helpless. When you do something for me that I can and need to do for myself, you contribute to my fear and inadequacy. The speaker says when his parents does something for him which he himself can do, it creates fear and inadequacy with him. It causes to lose his courage and his confidence. It makes him discouraged. But when you accept as a simple fact that I feel what I feel, no matter how irrational, then I can stop trying to convince you and get about this business of understanding what's behind these irrational feelings. The teenager, means the speaker of the poem, says to his parents to accept this simple fact, and that fact is whatever their child feels, he feels. His feeling may be illogical, may be irrational. He knows, he understands what is behind these feelings. And when that's clear, the answers are obvious and I don't need advice. Irrational feelings make sense when we understand what's behind them. The speaker says that is clear. Means obviously he doesn't need any advice, any suggestions, as he is capable to understand the sense behind his feelings. Perhaps that's why prayer works. Sometimes for some people because God is mute and he doesn't give advice or try to fix things. Friends, through these lines, the speaker shares his thoughts related to prayer. He says, sometimes and for some people, prayer works very well. When we pray God, He never speaks. He only listens. He is mute. God never gives any advice or try to fix things, and so we should pray. God just listens and lets you work it out for yourself. The speaker says God just listens. Why God is mute? What is the reason? Because God knows and believes that we are capable of facing the situation and accept the challenges. God allows us to deal with the situation. So please listen and just hear me. And if you want to talk, wait a minute for your turn and I will listen to you. Friends, as a human being, we should learn so many lessons by facing and handling the situation. And so, the speaker is ready to accept the challenges and face each and every situation in his future life. And in this way, the speaker ends up his thoughts by saying his parents that to listen or just hear him calmly. Friends, from the whole poem, we understand that the teenager just wants a company for a while with whom he wishes to share his feelings and thoughts.